Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to make a clean, professional-looking line graph in Google Sheets and then insert it right into your Google Doc. This tutorial is designed for absolute beginners, so don't worry if you've never done this before. I'll walk you through every single step at a comfortable pace. By the end of this video, you'll be able to visualize your data like a pro and easily include your graph in reports, assignments, or presentations. Trust me, this is a skill that comes in handy way more often than you'd think. Let's jump right in. First, you want to make sure you're logged into your Gmail account. That opens the door to all the Google apps. You'll notice up in the top right corner of the page a little grid made of 9 small dots. This is sometimes called the Google Apps waffle. Go ahead and click on that. It's your shortcut to all the different Google tools. Look for the Google Sheets icon. It looks a bit like a green spreadsheet, and give it a tap. Now, if you already have your data ready, that's great. You'll want to open up your existing Google Sheet, or if you need to start a new one, and enter your data first. Typically, for a line graph, your data will have things like dates, months, or time on one axis and your numbers on the other. Maybe it's website visitors over time or the temperature throughout a week. Once your data is arranged in neat rows or columns, go ahead and select or grab all those cells you want to include in your graph. Just click and drag to highlight them. With your data highlighted, head up to the menu at the very top and find the Insert tab. Click on that, and from the drop-down, select Chart. Sometimes Google Sheets will automatically pick a chart type for you, but for this tutorial, we need a line graph specifically. If you see a different kind of chart, maybe a bar graph or a pie chart, don't worry. In the chart editor window that pops up on the right, look for the chart type option and scroll down until you see line chart. Go ahead and click on that. And just like that, you'll see your data visualized as a line graph right next to your table. This gives you a nice, at-a-glance view of trends and changes in your data, which is so much easier to make sense of than just columns of numbers. Now, to bring this chart into your Google Doc, we need to copy it. Hover your mouse over the graph and look for the 3 little vertical dots in the top right corner of the chart itself, not the whole page, just the chart. This is the More Options menu. Click on it and select Copy Chart. This puts a copy of the chart on your clipboard ready to go. Switch over to your Google Doc. If you haven't opened one yet, this is a good moment to start a new document or open the one you want to work on. Make sure you click into a blank spot in your document where you want the graph to appear, maybe just underneath a paragraph discussing your data or wherever it fits best. Then simply paste. You can do this by right-clicking and selecting Paste, or for those who like shortcuts, just press Ctrl+V or Command+V on your keyboard. And that's all there is to it. Your line graph should appear right in your document, ready for use. If you want to resize it or move it around, you can click on the chart and drag it where you like. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really supports the channel. If you have any questions or if you got stuck on a step, let me know in the comments and I'll be happy to help you out. And if you want more easy-to-follow tech tutorials like this one, don't forget to hit subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.